Yeah, I think that's. Did I not put the left one? Oh,
Oni? Yeah, PIR Oni and his tag OnePower, right?
yeah.
So it's good. Yeah.
Oh, it's because the little
0-0.
boxes around it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're good.
Wait, double check to make sure
Yeah,
it's
everything's good.
recording.
Alright, so here goes game one. We got the Wolf versus the Greninja. I didn't know this.
Only going in
It's gonna be
secondary.
a Pokemon battle, Wolf versus Greninja.
Going with that Zamazenta. Alright, Oni applying his quick pressure with Greninja. I like the way Greninja moves around swiftly, kind of.
He's got like really good burst options. That dash attack, like you saw right there, he threw it out twice. It's really hard to punish.
It's really hard to punish. It's really,
Oh my god, Wolf's back here, man.
it's really good, especially because
That was it. He caught his
Wow.
jump, the back air.
I think Oni forgot he had a jump. Cause,
No, I think he actually caught it.
I mean,
He hit him out of his jump.
he hit him out of his jump, but when he, or did he hydro pump and I just didn't notice?
Yeah, he did up B, but it wasn't enough distance from how he got hit because Wolf's back air is one of those ignorant moves, man.
Alright, so
You get the
one
switch.
part getting that early stock.
That's a great start for OnePower.
Yep.
Oh,
Oh,
that was
good.
almost the read to tie the game. Okay, we got forward aerials. All right,
Oni
so
tying
only
it
able
up.
to get 34% on the Greninja. That was not bad at all.
Alright, both characters staying around center stage. Both characters kind of.
So I feel like that's the time where, like, you know how Wolf had the lead for a little bit. That's the time where Wolf is that character that can slow things down if he wants to because he has that blaster. I feel like he should have taken advantage of that a little more.
He should. Yeah, what OnePower should be doing right now is he should be kind of
Well, that was almost really close.
camping Oni out a little
I didn't want
bit.
to say that, but yeah, he should have slowed it down and just held on to that lead.
Yeah, kind of keeping the tempo in his favor. And
That was a good catch with the up air. Look.
yeah, there's not much Greninja could have done to land there, except maybe like B reversing or
No, actually, Greninja can actually,
Or not
with his
weird.
neutral B stalls him, so it kind of throws you off a little bit. The Shuriken
Yeah.
stalls you.
I meant like wave bouncing.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of as a mix up on the
there you
landing
go.
option.
Now we're seeing the blaster come out.
Yeah, especially now that he has a lead, he kind of wants to chip on as much damage as he can, kind of like in a Pokemon battle, really.
Exactly. Wolf is one of those characters can be played many different ways, and defensive is one of the ways he's the best at, I think.
Yeah. Oni finding a way onto stage, kind of going back to the middle, but he loses center stage.
This is pretty scary for Oni right now. He's one good hit away, and that's the
And
hit.
there it is, up smash.
Gonna wrap it up. 1-0.
Kind of questionable landing onto stage. I would have preferred seeing him just go straight to the edge, really. Who's it?
Pedro. When the next open setup opens, you're gonna play.
Alright. I'll pay attention then.
So that's gonna be OnePower going up again.
Yeah, but looks like Oni's dropping the secondary for this game, going to his main. I mean, kind of gives him a little bit of an edge with better swordplay, honestly. Giving him more range and power.
The one thing people don't know is Wolf has pretty much disjoints too. He's pretty much a sword character. The forward tilt back here. Up smash is pretty much scoops like a forward smash.
Yeah, and I feel like in this matchup, the reason he might not have wanted to go Chrom game 1 was because of Wolf's ability to knock Chrom out of up B.
Oh yeah.
Very detrimental to his gameplay.
He doesn't even need much. Just like a good forward tilt, timed perfectly, and Chrom is dead.
Yeah.
That was risky, but I respect it. You have to do that against Chrom. You have to go out there.
Yeah, so like right here,
You can see he's going for them already.
yeah, OnePower knows exactly what he needs to do to.
So I'm surprised he
Beat
didn't just
Chrom's
wait
recovery.
for the up B to land to punish it. We got a
Oni
10
getting him with that counter.
Good counter. Oh, but he's just gonna hit him right back. Even stocks, even percent. Even
Trading
still.
there.
9.6. That was funny. Both doing the exact amount of damage down to the point.
Alright.
But that's the thing about both of these characters. Once they can string together hits, and their damage output is insane.
Their damage output, they're very explosive.
Yeah, both
Especially
and
Chrom.
Wolf. Oh yeah, especially Chrom. He gets one landing up there, you're going for a trip, man. And there we go. He
There
got
you
him with
go.
forward
He
tilt.
might be.
No, he's going back.
Barely making it back to stage.
And fortunate for him, he only got him with the first hit of F tilt. If the second hit connected, that was stock up.
I think they traded. That's why. OnePower doing exactly what he needs to do. Kind of trying to space that forward tilt to knock Chrom off stage.
It's still an insanely even game. Oh, missing the back air. Unfortunately, that was stock. That's not gonna do it. That's gonna do it.
A little bit of a questionable DI from OnePower.
Yeah, I didn't think that didn't look like it should have killed.
I mean, he definitely had enough time to DI that.
And now without the rage, he's gonna that up smash was just shy of killing.
Getting the dancing blade or whatever Chrom's version is called.
I think Roy's and Chrom's is the double-edged dance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I believe it is. I'm not sure though. It looks like I'm up.
I have to go play a set. Good luck, dude.
Yep.
That's Gucci. In the mood, you skip to my loop. Whipping up checks like tofu. Alright, so this is kind of snowballing away. Okay, he's getting something started, getting the nair to forward tilt. Has him off stage. And no tech, and that's going to be game 2. 1-1. What's up, bro? Hop on commentary.
Alright, bet.
Right now it's 1-1.
Bro, I bet we're gonna have to play again after this.
You think so?
Yeah, like we did last week.
Oh, shit.
Oh, it's OnePower and oNi?
Yeah. You know both of these guys, right?
Yeah. They're both very, very good. No, last week oNi, or can I swear on stream?
What's up?
Can I swear on stream?
What happened?
Can I swear on stream?
I would, if I were you, I'd probably keep it esport.
Alright,
Yeah.
so, oNi messed me up last week. So, on both these players. I played OnePower like only in friendlies, but they're both very, very good at the characters. But right now, oNi.
He busted out the Greninja game 1, surprisingly. And
Really?
It cost him
Really?
a game. Yeah, he went Greninja, dude. And he got slapped up, not gonna lie. He got slapped up, and that.
Ooh, wow.
No way.
Wow. Early side. oNi won Greninja, right? Or,
Yeah, Oni did. And OnePower last game, he could have taken it, but he missed 2 techs on counters. Like he countered and it hit him towards the stage, and it was definitely techable, but he just missed.
yeah.
Sometimes it'd be like that though.
Yeah. But wow, really, really strong lead oNi established like, very early on. Good parry,
Yeah, that was a good
shit.
bread and butter down tilt to F smash.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you gotta tech those down tilts, man. It's devastating.
That's the thing about the space animals, bro. You gotta, if you're gonna play them, you gotta be ready to tech everything.
Yeah.
Almost getting it again.
Yeah. That's scary. Jab.
Oh,
wow.
dude, he knew.
Bro, I better see
That always
Jared
scares the
scans.
shit out of me when the crap out of me when Chrom goes for the jab and then they just wait for the air dodge
Yeah.
and you're just like, I'm dead, bro. I'm just dead.
Oh, good up.
This is snowballing away from OnePower, man. That'll do it though. So let's not forget this is Wolf, man. He's only a good couple conversions away. And that, what if he broke his shield, bro? What if? Look at that.
Yeah, that
One
was
fair and that's
36%
36.
From like three hits.
Yeah, Wolf's damage output is really good.
53% without getting touched.
72.
72%.
This is what you need to do. But unfortunately, he got slapped up and that back air strong
He
as
brought
shit.
it back though. The
Oh,
percentage
he
is
missed it.
not wrong.
That's what I've been talking about.
Yeah,
He's
he
not
needs to
teching
tech
those.
those. Yeah, he needs
That's
to
the
tech
third one. Every time he overcommits with the nair, he ends up countering him off stage.
Yeah, he needs to just try to ledge trap him.
Yeah, I agree. Wolves has some of the best ledge trapping, so might cost him.
Ooh, that was almost
Okay.
so nasty.
Last stock, man.
Alright,
This is tense. This is tense.
Hopefully OnePower can find his footing here. He's
Oh,
really,
he's
he's really giving up his advantage for going.
Oh,
for
that was
these,
he knew he was gonna take away.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, he's been dropping down with those nairs, and it's a good idea, but you gotta make sure you hit those. Oh, he
that
almost
was
timed it.
Almost did.
He almost had that
That would
timing.
have been very devastating. Alright, but now he has to find his way at a disadvantage. This could be what he needs. Fourth row. I don't know if he could have grabbed again there.
I think, yeah, he could have, because Oni definitely held shield to block. That's gonna do it.
The back air catching his jump. Good stuff.
What was
from
that, fair
OnePower.
back air?
Yeah.
So despite the missed text, he's gonna wrap it up with the fair back air, and
Yeah.
that's OnePower
Very good.
2-1.
His composure. He really brought the match back. The match back. Jesus Christ. Not talk. Match batch.